Hi everyone, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to build the source code of the BitFrameWorks repository from GitHub. So to do that, you can follow just a few steps. It's like quite easy. We have been working on making it easier for everyone. So first what you need to do is you need to download the repository, the complete repository. So for that, you can do that by clicking in this green button here, and then you can either copy the URL, get it on your GitHub desktop, Visual Studio, or as a zip. That is up to you. You decide how to do it. So once you have the source in your computer, you just need to go to the source folder, the src folder, and then basically what you need to do is here you come to the note, which is a text file, and in here you will see the build command, which is this one. This build command requires that you set if you're going to do it on release or which type of configuration you're going to use. In this case it's release, otherwise it will not create the NuGet packages. Then the NuGet version that you want to create, this is the version that you set for the NuGet packages. So in this case I always use the same number as the XPO or the XAF version. So then you need to tell it which version of XPO you're going to use and which version of XAF you're going to use. This, in the end, I will replace it to something more simple, but at the moment this is how it is. Because I show it to Javier and he makes this face like, do I have to write the same number 3 times? And he usually he's a lot like my older brother, that they want everything to be simpler and simpler and simpler, and that's good because I see the stuff in a different way. So it's good to have that difference of opinion. So okay, now we have the source and we have the command, right? So basically what you need to do is you need to open a PowerShell window and then go to the path where the source lives. In this case I'm already there, so I'm going just to clear here. And I wish I can make this bigger. Let's see, maybe in properties I will make it large, and the font I will make it maybe 24. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, so now basically you just need to run the script. So I already have it here, so if you see it's the same script that I show you from the text file. So in this case what we're going to do is we're going to build the 19.2.5 version of the components, and we're using the same for XPO and XAF. And when the script finish, it will create the NuGet packages, and they will be in your folder my documents, and then in my documents my NuGets. So let me show you the folder first. Here I have it is empty. I clear everything so you can see how it works. So basically let's run the script, and I didn't press enter. Here we go. Here we go. Now what's happening? I cannot press enter. There you go. So this will take like around 1 minute. At this moment this is building, I think, like around 26 projects. Maybe we will change that on the future, that some of them you can skip. And also at this moment the build script is not running the unit test. It's just compiling the code and making sure that everything is like clean before you start compiling, so you don't get like mixed references. So this will take around 1 minute, and at the moment I'm using a virtual machine, so it might be faster on your computer, or maybe slower depending on your setup. So but 1 minute is not that long anyway. So when this is done, you will have all the NuGet packages with the versions that you set. So let's wait a little bit, and when this finish I will run it again with a different version number, so you can see that it actually works. Okay, so first let's go to the NuGet folder. So see, we have this, and let's check this one, bitxpo. So if you can see, we have 19.2.5, and in the end it's a sequential number that is calculated by the time of the day. So if you run the same command again, you will not overwrite these nuggets. You will create a new version with a different number in the end, because that number is calculated based on the time of the day that you are running the command. So just to make sure that this actually aiming to the right versions, you just open this and then you check, okay, we tell it that is 19.2.5, so we have that same reference here, DevExpress XPO 19.2.5, so everything matched the build script. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to replace with the different versions. I'm going to use, I think 21.6 is the newest one. And yes, now I see that it's a lot of work. I will make it this simpler, 21.6. So let's run. And let's wait 1 more minute. Okay. I think this should be almost done already, but anyway, I need to put oil on this chair. It's making a lot of sounds when I go back. I mean, when I lean back. Okay, so let's go to the NuGet folders. As you can see, some of them are already, see, I have XPO 21.6 here. So let's open this. As you can see, it depends on XPO 21.6. So the script is actually working. And I think it's done already. It took less time, like 6 seconds less this time. So anyway, basically that's everything for this video. As you can see, we try to make it just one line of code to build the project. And if you have any problems building the source, you can contact us in the GitHub repository. You can put an issue and we will take a look as soon as we can. And well, that's it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye and take care.